Went back to this kitchen. I got some chicken on. You can see it here. Let me open it up for y'all so you can see this. This is the chicken that I got today because this chicken was so tasty the other day. Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that. New custard. I got me some canned mango and strawberry. This he wanted those plantain chips. Got some cheese. Munchies. Munchies. 2 orders of sushi this time, and some of goosey stew with some fufu. Yeah, to throw it down on this good Tuesday night. Got a Dominos here in a Coldstone Creamery in Nigeria, in Lagos, y'all. Yeah, we got some little bit of America over here, a little bit. I'm gonna try their Dominos, see what the menu looks like. If it looks different than ours, it probably will. And see what Coldstone's menu is looking like. We got a supermarket right here, and then an outside fresh produce and all that. Yeah, so that's what we got going on right now. So this is what I'm wearing, a little skirt and my little shoes. Outfit of the day in Lagos. Yeah, casual. Got my hair in a messy bun, messy ball, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, just walking through Lagos, people. Walking through. So this is inside of Domino's. Nice little restaurant. Pizza smelling good too. I can't wait to see what I'm gonna get, y'all. I'm gonna eat. Because you have different stuff in different countries. Different types of pizza. So this is the pizza. Ooh, meat pie, that looks pretty good. We got barbecue chicken, smoked barbecue sausage. Ooh. Grilled chicken, green pepper, mushroom, tikka masala sauce. They making us look bad right now with all these good pizza. They got a beef suya pizza. Now you know I might have to get that. Domino's in the US, y'all need to step y'all game up. Because these pizzas is looking good. Cinnamon bread, you got cinnamon sticks, you got ice cream from Coldstone, melted choco pizza. Let's try to see get that blurriness out of there. What else too there? Yeah, we got a lot of good stuff going on here. We got some suya wings. Oh man, I bet them are the bomb. I'm about to get some of them. I'm about to eat everything, y'all. I'm just about to eat it all. So these are the personal pan pizzas. They are 550 naira, which is like $2, a little bit less than $2 for a personal pan pizza. How awesome is that? And the regular pizzas are like 6,000, 4,000 something naira, which is like not that much at all. It's about maybe $8-9 compared to our $20 pizzas in the US. Right, got the combo. This is a pepperoni, chicken, and mushroom pizza with a Bali pizza. I think that's what it was called, chicken Bali. And this is the beef patty. It's really good.
Right.
Let me get one more in. What else we got going on? We got the wings. We got some loaded potatoes. We eating meat fat today. Some of this gonna be going back home. Well, we might eat it all right now. Just don't know. Cause I can eat and I ain't ate all day. Suya wings right here. Suya wings, y'all. Let me see them loaded potatoes. Tasty loaded potato wedges. Got the good damn at the grill. This is the chicken Bali pizza. It's spicy. Very spicy. Try the meat pie. Try this little meat pie pizza. Tastes just like a meat pie too. A Jamaican meat pie. Good meat pie pizza. Only at Domino's and Legos. Now I'm trying this loaded potato wedges. Good, this is sweet. He said it's sweet potato. Tastes like just potato. Supposed to dip it in the barbecue sauce, see? So I'm about to try this suya wing. Let's see if it tastes as good as the regular suya. Pretty good. Suya wings. Domino's Legos. Welcome to Nigeria, y'all. The power done went out of Domino's. They got some lights. They got their backup generator and stuff, but yeah, this is what goes on. Your power go off. You better have a generator, you better have an inverter, you better have everything. Well, luckily the Airbnb got generator, inverter, got it all, so cause you go through this. Now they back. They back, y'all. The lights were back. Well, welcome to Legos. Welcome to Nigeria. So the damage is done. The leftovers are in this box. Got some veggies in here, a little bit of wings, a little bit of each pizza. The breadsticks is gone. But yeah, the damage is done. We ate all that, most of that food. That's a shame, ain't it? That's a shame, y'all. We ate most of that food. This is the Coldstone. It's nice and big. Right here. Coldstone Creamery is upstairs from the Dominos. It's pouring down raining outside right now. If y'all can see that, it looks like crazy rain. Crazy storm out there. And we walked here, so yeah, we gotta walk. Hopefully this rain will calm itself so we don't have to walk and get poured down on. Yeah. Nice tasty. Coldstone, Nigeria, Lagos.
The pineapple, strawberry.
All these
Strawberry,
nice
but you got a
flavors.
whole lot of flavor. See? What's that?
Look at this stuff, y'all. I'm gonna get one of these ice cream cones. Look at that. Ice cream, you scream, y'all scream for ice cream. Yes, sir. These ice cream cones, y'all.
Why do you want to go for the
You want to be on film? Can I get you on film? What's your name? Holy? Your name is Holy.
Yeah.
A nice name. Anyway.
So you want waffle?
Whatever comes on that blondie.
Waffle, maybe you want to crush waffle.
Which one's the name?
I don't like this.
That chocolate. Chocolate.
So should I crush it to your ice cream?
They do it just like they do in the US. They Coldstone, they good old Coldstone. We got our friends here. We got them. Filming them. It's gonna be good. I'm about to turn this up, y'all. I got the cone crushed inside the ice cream. I wasn't meaning to do that, but I did it by mistake, but I'll eat it like that. Tried to get out before the sun went all the way down today, this Friday. I got a few more days here. I'll leave Wednesday night. It's Friday right now, so yeah. Try to get out before the sun goes down. See, it's a little bit of light. Been coming out like a vampire when it's like completely dark, y'all. Gonna go get some more of that Coldstone ice cream. Yep. That's what we gonna do. I'm about to tear it up. Might even get a carton. Who knows? But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see the scenery as we walk.
Yeah, about that, right? People don't stare this way. People stare a lot here, right?
I know.
You don't know this staring? No.
Yeah, I do. It's to be done. I mean, it happened in Kenya too. It happened in Jamaica.
People stare a lot there.
Black people just stare, period.
They don't stare, right?
Black people just stare. We all black. Africans, black people, they just stare, period.
I've seen look at movie sites. Foreign movies where everybody's just going about it. Nothing's happening. Nobody's.
At Coldstone Creamery again. Another nice. It's a cheesecake. Cheesecake dream. You got blueberry, strawberry, and cheesecake flavored ice cream. Birthday cone. This size is gotta have it size. The biggest size cone. That's it. Enjoy this. Out of control in Legos. Thousands on thousands on thousands on deck.
Yeah, come in.
I'm balling.